myself, Assistant Professor Sudhir Kambi in a Computer Science faculty. In this video, we learn about HTML table. HTML table allows web developers to arrange the data in a row and columns pattern. Now we will learn how to define an HTML table. The table tag defines a HTML table. Each table row is defined with a tr tag. Each table's headers is defined with a th tag. Each table data and cells is defined with a td tag. By default, the text is th tag and elements are bold and centered. By default, the text in td tag elements are regular and left alignment. In this video, we learn about attributes of table tags.
In this video, learn about and how to create table in HTML. We are going to design similar tables shown on your screen. First, it will use HTML basic structure and in the body tag, create table tag and close the table tag. In a table tag, to create tr tag to define the rows in the table. In tr tag, each table header defines with open and close th tag. By default, the text in a th tag elements are bold and center. So, here first header define in between th tag is first name, also same pattern. To create another two header is last name and age in between th tag. Then create another row in a table. So create a tr tag and close the tr tag. In the tr tag, each table data or cells is defined with the td tag. So cell value will declare here in between open and close td tag. First name is Rohan, last name is Mishra and age is 21. Second row and third row created cells entry for same tag use and define values in using tr tag and td tag. So save the program and run program. So define 4 rows and 3 columns table display on your web page with defining cell entries without border in tabular format. Used here table border is equal to double quotation value is defined here 2. Save and run the page display with assigning border on web page. Then set another property is table style. So style is equal to double quotation width colon 100%. So set the width of a table in a full screen on web page and auto adjusted with width of table with browser configurations. Thanks for watching this video. Do you like, share and comments this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification for upcoming videos. Thank you.